Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly where you'll check usage: your phone, carrier portal, or router. Once done, grant any necessary permissions so the app or settings can read data. Now open Settings and go to Network and Internet, or launch your carrier's app. This is the first actionable step. You're not setting reminders yet, you're locating the measurement source. Make sure cellular, Wi-Fi, and data saver options are visible. That enables the next step, to actually read. Once you've opened the right screen, locate the data counters and the graph. Look at the active date range and the reset cycle. Carriers often bill monthly, so adjust the range to match your billing period. Then inspect per app breakdowns to see heavy users. Make sure to expand sections for roaming, hotspot, and tethering because they can inflate totals. If values look odd, compare settings with carrier portal. Discrepancies point to aggregation differences or delayed reporting. To finish, verify totals by comparing device readings with your carrier account and router logs. Mismatches are common due to reporting delays. Then optimize. Set data alerts, align the device reset with your bill cycle, and restrict background data for high-usage apps. If numbers still don't add up, clear the app cache, confirm permissions, and reboot the device. If that fails, contact your carrier with timestamps and screenshots. One key troubleshooting tip is to record screenshots showing discrepancies for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.